All right, so we have this piece of siding here that had a previous patch, I guess. That's what it looks like here. And looks like we have some water damage. Not really sure what happened here, but I'm afraid to see what's behind this wall. I don't know if we're gonna have a leak or what's going on behind here. This thing is just rotted all the way through. And I can just pull it out with my hand. It's just breaking off, flaking off all over the place. We're gonna get into it and see what's going on. You can see the saw marks here where they got into this. Opened it up, gave it a little patch. Let's see what's behind here. Okay, no good. We got an animal living in here. Oh, it has to be a stink bug. So this doesn't look good at all. This is not even. It's moving? Oh, it's moving. Don't touch that. But we're gonna have to cut even all the way over here because this is, I mean, this is rotted even over here. They cut out all the insulation right here. This is a hot water. And I don't know what they did here. Well, obviously they put a shark bite, but the way it is, it's not even connected flush the way it should be. Okay, so we're gonna turn the hot water on to see if this is still leaking. Cold water seems okay. Behind here is the shower. What we got, water damage. Who knows for how long this has been going on. I mean, I don't even want to do this, but this stuff's flaking off right here. It's just so bad. So we're gonna have to cut out all the way to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably cut 4 from here. This whole big old chunk right here. Replace this whole piece. Let me know when you have it on. Okay, I hear something. That's cold. That's hot. I hear the hot running. You turned it off?
Yeah.
This is not put on right. There's no way this is connected correctly. It's just like the whole thing. Can't really tell from the camera, but it's like it's at an angle. It's not flush straight in, especially this part here on top. Is it on, Jay?
Yeah.
I don't even know if it's, I'm close. Yeah, I think that might be perfect. Ready? I don't want to go too deep. This is where you end up on ridiculousness. That's all. I don't know where all my tools keep going. Look at that. Look where the cut was. Right freaking there. I had to saw it with just enough depth so that we didn't hit that. That's what I was scared of, hitting the line. See what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
So I was like, look at all this. This was all wet. This was all wet. No good. So I think we'll end up doing it with just some screws. So once you get that grout taken care of and everything on that side, you can turn the water on and really see if you have a leak. Because look, there's a little bit of mold right here. So when it is all nice and buttoned up, real cool, you come back and put some insulation in here, and then we can set it up right. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Boom. All right, so I cut out a bigger section than I thought I'd need to, but what we're gonna do is just put 4 screws in it just to get it in for now, and then we're gonna come back and test this water. We can't test it right now because we got some other stuff going on the other side. So as soon as we get that taken care of, we're gonna test this, make sure everything's good. Once that's done, we're gonna close this up right and seal it. But we're just gonna do this little patch right here. This is a little piece, but it turned into a little bit bigger of a job than I thought. But anyway, we'll get it taken care of, and I'm just glad, hopefully, as of now, it's not a bigger leak than, or a bigger project than I thought it was gonna be. All right. All right. See what he's talking about over here.
Okay.
All right, not too bad. Just finished up here, and this looks, I mean, the lines are almost perfect right here. Little gap right here, but throw some silicone in there and we should be fine. Besides that, we're looking pretty good. Just gotta paint it up and we're done for now. This is that cool factor.